I've tried a lot of different suitcases over the years, and I've definitely had some mixed experiences, but a brand that I've really been enjoying lately is LUGGEX. So today I'm going to try out the LUGGEX ZX All-in-One Zipperless carry-on bag, and by try out, I'm actually going to unbox it right now. So let's get into it by doing an unboxing and getting some first impressions of this hard shell suitcase. So you see here we have the LUGGEX ZX series. Unboxing number 2. Pull it. Take off this part here. And you can see a nice hard shell. It seems like it's going to be pretty sturdy. Here's a close-up look. So my two very obvious first impressions here are that it has the hard case outer shell, and also there are no zippers, only these two clasps here to open and close the suitcase. But my other first impression is that you can see it has a TSA lock here on the top, and then right in front of that is these instructions to help you set that TSA locking mechanism. So the way to set this locking code is that you press this button right here on the side, and then you can set your own password. So maybe 1, 2, 3, and then once you have what you want, you press this here, confirmation, it opens up. And then I'm actually pleasantly surprised, this just looks like it's only for the laptop compartment. You close it up again, and then if you want to do this, now it won't open because the lock's wrong. But like I just showed, I'm actually surprised this top TSA lock actually only opens up the laptop compartment in the front here. But these side clasps also have their own separate locks you can set, and it's really easy to do as well using the tag at the top of the suitcase. So I really like having these TSA locks because it just gives you an extra layer of security on your suitcase. But let's look at some of the other features that it has. So honestly, one of the first things I noticed when looking at the exterior was, what is this little button here on the back? It actually is a drink carrier. So if you're walking around the airport, you don't want to carry your water bottle or your coffee, you stick it on the back of the case. And then another cool feature that I noticed is that there's actually this expandable handle, and on the handle is a hook here. So if you want to bring a bag with some extra shoes or books or anything, you can just sit it under the hook, and you don't have to carry it with you. You can just roll it around as you go. So then apart from the cup holder and the bag hook, the other unique feature is obviously the laptop compartment I've already talked about. So if you can open up here on the front, and you can see what it looks like on the inside. Now, one thing I've noticed though is that it is pretty slim, so I don't think it'll fit your laptop charger or a big bulky laptop. It's probably best for more thin laptops. Luckily, I have a pretty thin one, so you can put it in here. There's a little strap that you can put the laptop into the compartment, close it up, close that there, and then lock it in place with your code. All right, but enough of that. Most people don't buy suitcases just for the external features. They buy them to put their things inside. So let's open it up and give a packing demonstration. So here's a first look at the interior of the suitcase. You can see here on the left, there's a big compartment that can probably fit a lot of different clothes. And then over here, there's some extra zipper compartments, but it also opens up for an extra packing space here. So it's a bit of a packing demonstration. On the left side, you can probably fit some bulkier items. I got this hoodie here, fit all of my pants and my shorts. But it's a pretty big area, so I can also pack shirts on top of that. Anything I need, and to condense it, I can strap it in here, and you can even close it further with the top part, like this. And then over here, you can open it up on that side, fit more things like underwear, toss in all of my socks. There's even more room. Throw in a toiletry bag, or even an extra pair of shoes. Close it up, and this zips nice and tight. And there's extra space here, so if I wanted to take this out, add something like a book, can do that. Zip it up. It'll fit everything pretty nicely. So like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I've been using LUGGEX suitcases for a while now, and this is actually my third suitcase from LUGGEX, the all-in-one here. My first one was actually this one, the FX carry-on bag, and it does have that laptop compartment as well. It's a little bit of a different design, and it's smaller than these two, but it's a zipper bag. So you have the TSA lock, but it locks with the zippers rather than the clasps that are on these two here. And this middle one is the ZX 21-inch Maximized carry-on bag. It's very similar to the All-in-One, but it doesn't have those extra features like a laptop compartment, the cup holder, or the bag hook here like you see on this one. But overall, these are pretty similar. This one just has those additional features and has the best combination of both of these two suitcases in one. But all right, I've been cooped up inside long enough. Let me take this one outside for a spin, do a durability test, and see what it's like out in the wild.
So my very first impressions are that it rolls pretty well. The wheels seem pretty sturdy. You can rotate it fully. You can push it like this, like that, or just pull it along with you. Oh no, I just filled up my water bottle and I have this extra bag. I don't know what I'm gonna do to carry all this stuff. Bam. So let's do a little bit of a durability test and see how it does when you rough it up a little bit. Throw number 1. A little bit of dirt, but not really a scratch. Throw number 2. Yeah, so overall, it landed pretty hard on this top corner here, and I don't see any scratches at all. It's just a little muddy. So I think the hard case is pretty sturdy. All right guys, that's gonna be it for this video, my review of the LUGGEX ZX All-in-One carry-on bag. I honestly really like the suitcase. I think it's really durable, has a lot of cool features, and I definitely can see myself using it for a number of years.